Hello everyone, if Call of Duty Black Ops 7 is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Black Ops 7 not launching on your computer easily. So first off, I'm going to show you how to fix it on an AMD card. So you're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, you're going to go into performance, you're going to go into tuning, then you're going to make sure that automatic tuning is set to default and you do not have any overclocks on the graphics card. And now I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into help, and here you're going to make sure debug mode is turned on. So just turn debug mode on. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write app data. You're going to go into local. You're going to go ahead and delete the folder called D3D cache from here. Just delete this folder. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Black Ops 7 on your computer, you'll see that you will not get those Black Ops 7 not launching on your computer errors anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.